Hey guys, this is Teacher Elo, and I'm an English teacher. And I'd like you to subscribe to my channel because when you subscribe to my channel, you will receive an English video every week. You will receive practice questions. That means you can practice what you just learned. And you will learn English quickly and easily. Alright, so how do you subscribe? Here is the page on YouTube with my channel, and on the side you see the red button, so you just have to click on that, and you see the red subscribe button, so you click on that. After, you can click on the bell, and the bell will send you a message every time I put a new video. So if you want to know the first day a video comes out, you would click the bell. And if you learn something on my videos, maybe you learn some new grammar, some new writing, make sure you click on like. Right? When you click on like, other students will find the videos faster. Alright, but what is more important is what do you want to learn? Right? Is there any questions you have? Do you have questions about speaking, American culture, grammar, writing, slang, different things? Go ahead and tell me. Send me your ideas in the comment section. I check them all the time. And like always, thank you for your time.